Hi everyone, I would like to tell you my UX experience evaluation, and I use UXTweak for this job. I selected it because I think it was pretty practical and it was pretty straightforward to do. So I chose the mobile testing, and I did it with my own phone and through my own phone, and I did my job was that by myself. And let me open it here, this one right here. So I did a study called ABC study because I was trying to check the user experience of the ABC News experience. So what I did was, let me show you what I did. So I set up the task through this menu here, and I'll just copy this, and actually there was a QR code if it is in the active section. Then I decided to finish this study, so that's why it was no longer available. But I would like to open the results tab right here, and as you can see, I did it in 3 minutes and 31 seconds. It was only me who tried it, of course, and basically what I designed the task to be completed was for the user to open the ABC News website and check what they did on that website, like what they opened, sort of things. And then on this tab, the respondents is only me, and actually for the play video, I can click this part and it would directly get to the answering part. So this was my screen before. Let me play that for you. So this was showing up on my phone, and then there was a timer, and then I click start task, and then this website popped up on my screen. For some reason the audio was not able to be played, even though I definitely turned my microphone on, because that's how I would expect the respondents to answer my question, which was what the respondents liked and disliked about the website. And that's what I did actually, but for some reason I couldn't hear it from this result. And actually I couldn't do it again because I've got 5 recording limitation that stopped me from recording one more time in this case. So yeah, and I remember at this part I explained what I like and what I dislike. I like the interface of the website. I like the fonts and the headlines, and they're pretty straightforward. Like for example, weather information, and then some TVs, in fact, and some trending news that I found on ABC News in this case. So I did that, and I recorded my voice, but then it didn't show up on the actual report. But I'm not pretty sure why, but it was pretty limited for the capacity that is given for the free users. So that's that. Coming back to the screen here, we have the analysis and then the statistics. I'm not pretty sure what is important from the statistics, but it's basically how long the users use the website. I think that's the idea. And we can export the result actually, but we could only export a sampling result, and that's that. I couldn't export the real result in this case. So yeah, I like this website. It was pretty practical, pretty straightforward. But then on the phone, I gotta download the UXTweak app in order to complete the job, and then it was not obvious whether it was due to my microphone that was not working on my phone, or it was their technical issue for some reason. So I like this app in a way that yeah, it's pretty practical. But what I don't like from the data that was collected, it was pretty thorough. So the location, well, US was pretty big, so it's not my concern. It was a smartphone, but it's mobile testing, so of course from a phone. You can actually choose Android or iPhone or both actually, so or website testing in this case. So that was pretty practical. Yeah, I'll explain my summaries on the slide.